think you're going to enjoy our 2023 Open Studios for Charity. We have hundreds of beautiful pieces, styles and designs that you've loved over the years, beautiful new glazes, and something new, Dudley's version of modern art. We like to call speaking bowls.
I've been making stoneware and porcelain pottery for about 40 years. Mainly I make bowls and they're all food safe. Lately I've tried a new style. It's what I call the speaking bowl. For example, this one says hold me. Cindy's bowl says touch me. And other playful sentiments to go along with those.
Prices remain incredibly reasonable. You can afford to buy pieces for yourself. Plus, stock up on your holiday gift giving. Parents, teachers, friends, bosses, and neighbors. After 40 years of experience, we are confident everyone loves a Dudley bowl. Don't forget, during our annual Pottery Open Studios for Charity event, 100% of every sale, except the sales tax of course, goes to charity. While you're delighting yourself with a beautiful bowl and or getting ahead of your gift giving for the holiday season, you will be contributing to wonderful charities who need our support. Dudley and I are hoping to see you Saturday, December 2nd and Sunday, December 3rd. We'll be here 9 to 5 and serving mimosas. Please make sure to invite your friends and neighbors and co-workers. Come both days. Throughout the day, Dudley will be giving pottery demonstrations. These demos, along with the mimosas that we serve in our Zen studio, are a big hit every year. We've been doing this event for charity for 10 years. Each year, we've had hundreds of people visiting our studios each day. Dudley and I are hoping that you and your family and friends will join us and help us make this season a success for charity.
I'm Dudley Harris. Cindy and I would like to invite you to our annual Pottery Studio Open House for 2023. This year it's going to be the first weekend in December 2 and December 3. Gates will open at 9, close at 5, and we hope to see you there.